Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grace Retreat and I'm here to show you and talk to you about the Multivitamin Power Firm, one of my best sellers and one of my favourites. So this is a really nice, nourishing, hydrating eye cream. So after you've cleansed, double cleanse, so pre-cleanse, your pre-cleanse and then your prescribed cleanse, you've toned, you may have exfoliated and used a mask, you've definitely hydrated with your toner and your skin's nice and ready for makeup or ready for your day, then you would use an eye cream. This is not just an eye cream though, this actually you can use anywhere where you feel you have a few dehydrated lines and a bit of aging. So I pop it on the back of my hand like so. I stick my finger in and I'm going to pop it around my eye area, underneath my eye, above my eye and over my lips and my top lip. So anywhere that you feel you've got a little bit of aging, you need a little bit of hydration, this is the one, and I love this one. So I use this daily actually underneath my makeup to give my skin that hydration. As we get older, our skin here can get really soft and baggy and lined, and any kind of makeup, if you're dehydrated in that area, makeup is just going to sit in those creases and just kind of highlight that area, which we don't want. So this is a really nice eye cream to use underneath your moisturiser and your makeup to really give you that hydration. So as you can see, just light movements around the eyes to really hydrate that area. Can you see how that's really hydrated and helped with those lines underneath my eyes? That's so dark. I love this product and I use it in my facials. Last product I apply to my clients, do little eye movements, and they all say, "Oh, it smells so nice, Nicola. It smells like sweets." And I'm like, "I know," and it feels so smooth and so lovely and so hydrating. So this is a really lovely product to use around the eye area. Finish with a little eye pressure, and you're done. So this is the Multivitamin Power Firm, not just for eyes, but mainly eyes, but you can use it anywhere else. So if you had a few lines here, you can use it there. If you've got lines here, you can use it there. But I like to use it across my top lip, over my lips, because it's real hydrating, and around my eye area. Thanks for watching. There'll be more information about the Multivitamin Power Firm underneath. Enjoy the product. Take care. See you soon. Bye.